Here's the update on our home decor room. If you missed it, this is a large storage area in our basement. Half of it houses the furnace and the water heater. And then the other half, I get to keep my home decor in here. Do not have all of our home decorated yet, so a lot of this will be dispersed, but for now, we just have it organized on these shelves so that we can see everything that we have. I think Deb said she's getting another shelf or another couple of shelves to put in here. And then I want to find more places to hang all of my stained glass windows and my leaded glass windows back here. So that will be coming up too.